Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn a poem, Scarecrow. See the title of the poem. The title of the poem is formed by joining two words. What are they? Scare and crow. What does it mean? Scarecrow means a fake figure of a man made of straw with earthen pot. Straw means the synonym of straw is hay. The synonym of scarecrow is strawman or bird scarer. Have you ever seen the picture before? Yes, I have seen it before. Who puts up this? A farmer puts up this in his cornfield. What was the purpose? The purpose of putting scarecrow in a cornfield is to scare the birds and animals. Let's read the poem Scarecrow. Stanza number 1. You are who? The landowner or the scarecrow? Stanza number 2. You wear his shirt, you hold his bow, you wear his pants. Pants means trousers. You wear his pants. You are who? The landowner or the scarecrow? Owner means possessor. What is the poem about? The poem is about a scarecrow which scares the birds and animals in cornfields. Who are there in this poem? Scarecrow and the poet are there in this poem. Who is you and who is I? You in the poem refers to the scarecrow and I refers to the poet. Who does the poet talk to? The poet talks to the scarecrow. Who has placed the scarecrow? For what purpose? The landowner has placed the scarecrow to frighten the birds and animals. Let's read stanza 3. You do his job. Scare the crow. Scare means frighten. Scare the birds and other animals too. You are who? The landowner or the scarecrow? Who does his stand for? His stands for the landowner. Whose shirt, pants and cap is the scarecrow wearing? The scarecrow is wearing the shirt, pants and cap of the landowner. Who has given him all these and why? The landowner has given him all these to protect his corpse from wild animals. Can you say why the poet mistakes the scarecrow to be the landowner? Yes, the poet mistakes the scarecrow to be the landowner because it has worn the dress of the landowner. What are some of the uses of scarecrow? The uses of scarecrow is to scare the crow, the birds and animals. Let's read stanza 4. You are a look-alike, a Siamese twin. Who knows? Who knows? Is your owner? Owner means possessor, hiding behind you. Here question arises, who looks alike? The scarecrow and the landowner looks alike. Which twos look similar? The landowner and the scarecrow look similar. What did the poet go there to steal? No, the poet did not go there to steal. Let's read stanza 5. I woke too early. No intention to spoil or steal. Intention means wish. Spoil means destroy, to harm. I woke too early. No intention to spoil or steal. Steal, but you naughty dared to scare me too. Did the poet go there to steal? No, the poet did not go there to steal. Why did the poet call the scarecrow naughty? The poet called the scarecrow naughty because it dared to scare him. Who does the poet talks to in this poem? The poet talks to the scarecrow in this poem. The poet often treats non-living things as living. Has the poet done so here? Yes, the poet has done so here. Here, dare means to challenge, to do something dangerous. Here are some questions for you. The sentences are in present tense. We have to convert them into past tense. Number 1. You wear his shirt. Past form is you wore his shirt. You hold his bow. Past form is you held his bow. Number 3. You wear his pant. Past form is you wore his pant. You wear his cap too. Past form is you wore his cap too. Number 5. You do his job. Past form is you did his job. Number 6. You scare the crow. Past form is you scared the crow. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Which stanza talks about the job of a scarecrow? The third stanza talks about the job of a scarecrow. Number 2. Which stanza talks about the dress of a scarecrow? The second stanza talks about the dress of a scarecrow. In which stanza the poet calls the scarecrow naughty? In the fifth stanza, the poet calls the scarecrow naughty. In which stanza there is a simian twin? In the fourth stanza, there is a simian twin. Thanks for watching the video. Write down all the question answers and try to remember.